and welcome back to Alyena's Kitchen, where today we are going to be making one of my favorite drinks, limoncello. Limoncello is an Italian after dinner drink, and it actually helps you digest your food, and it's full of delicious lemony flavor. So let's get started. The first thing you are going to want to do is peel your lemons for your limoncello, and you are going to need about 12 lemons. And you want to avoid as much of the white inner rind as possible because this is what makes your limoncello bitter. And be careful, I've peeled off my thumb a few times doing this and it is not fun. And I recommend juicing these lemons. Just pop them in your juicer and then you have lemon juice at your house whenever you want it. That's what I always do. Now I have all my lemon peels, and we have a lot of them, and you can just add this to a pitcher. Make sure it has a top. Next, we're going to be adding in our vodka, and we are using a lot of vodka. We have 1 bottle going on our lemon peels. All right, and now I'm going to put my lid on, and we are going to store our vodka and lemon peels in a cool, dry place for a minimum of 20 days. Here is a batch of limoncello that I have been waiting on to be ready. It's been in a cool, dry place for about a month now. And as you can see, the color has really changed. Where it was once clear because it was vodka, it now really has a yellowy color, which is what you want. Because the longer you let this mixture sit, the more lemony flavor. Now you're going to want to strain your mixture and get all of those lemon peels out. Alrighty. Now we can just let this sit to the side and we can move on and make our sugar water, which we are going to add in to our vodka mixture. So I'm going to turn my element on medium heat, and we are going to use a 2-to-1 ratio, which means double the water to the sugar. But if you like a sweeter drink, you can always add in more sugar. It's really up to you. But I am taking 3 cups of water. And to that, I'm adding 1.5 cups of just granulated sugar. And you're going to want to let this cook down until the sugar is completely dissolved. Now that our sugar has completely dissolved, we can just pour this into our vodka. Let's give our limoncello a quick stir to make sure everything's combined. And now we can start to bottle it up. And the thing I love about this drink is it's so nice to bring to parties or give as gifts because it lasts a really long time. Oh, hello, Mr. B. He smells all that sugar. And we can just carefully, try not to spill too much, which I always tend to do, pour our limoncello in. The thing I love about this recipe is really how much it makes because you have so much limoncello and you can bring this to parties, give it as gifts, or just enjoy it all by yourself. And I really recommend letting your limoncello chill in the fridge for a few hours before drinking it. And one thing I do want to mention, this is not a cocktail. You don't take it as a shot either. I have given this to friends and they down it like a shot. No, it's a sipping drink. And you just want to slowly sip it and enjoy it. So let's do that right now. That is so delicious. It's the perfect balance of sweetness, but at this point, if you taste it and you want it to be sweeter, you can always add some more sugar water to it. I used to drink limoncello a lot when I was in Italy and Spain, and I honestly think this is the same quality. It is so good, and whenever I make it, all my friends just ask for more. So if you like this recipe, please let me know in the comments down below. Also, if you want to see other cocktail recipes of mine, there'll be a playlist right here or over here. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you next week. Cheers! Don't forget to check back in next Sunday because we are making the most beautiful and delicious apple tart.